We're at the Bing Center. Famous Lowe's first Maxisnice. What? Say it in my face. Oh. Give me that fucking ball. All in his face. I'm in help. Don't let Max score over there. Y'all, we showing one game only. And I'm in help. Oh my God. I like it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. I like it. You better get out the post, Max. Good pass, Los. Good extra pass. Split that. That's good basketball. Don't throw that, I'm gonna board that shit. Oh! I would have took a charge in the real game. Real game, I took a charge. Real game, I took a charge. Oh, pop. Oh, mine! We're gonna keep that walk between us too, though. We're gonna keep that walk between us. I'm behind him too. Oh, Max, that's a good move. Damn, weight room. Weight room. I got mine. I got baby. Oh, he got to step up. 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 Nah. Yeah, I'm here. You thought I won't? You thought I won't? I guess I won't. You ain't never gave a fuck. I love it. You like it. I love it. 8-3. Hey, hold up. Damn. Somebody's on the floor. Somebody's on the floor. Y'all ruthless like that? Y'all like that? You see a shooter? Oh, hey, one more. I'm out of here. Hey, one more. Good, I know. My God, Los. Stay down. Oh, you good. Let's get some easy ones. Yeah, let's get some easy ones. Hey, other side. Hey. Right. I'm too nice. I'm too old for him. Oh, no. Oh. Them boys playing hard, ain't they? Defense, please, defense. No! Hell no! Boy, you drunk as fuck. No! 11-7. You drunk as hell. Nigga, y'all barely scoring. I know. It's 11-7. Boy got 1 point. 11-7. You got 1 point. You got 1 point. He's not allowed to talk about score. Hey, 11-7. 11-8. Shit is up. Come on. Move. Hey. He ain't let me shoot that, bro. He did not let me shoot that, bro. No twos. Get the fuck out the court, you bum-ass niggas. Bum-ass boys. He dunked the ball one time. Get the fuck off the court. Get the fuck off the court. You bums. You bums.
Yes, sir. Finally got it.
Max is not nice. But let's have me my son. Hey, this is my youngest right here. This is my youngest right here. This is my youngest right here.
I'm
I'm about to go hoop. Y'all talk about that on the sidelines. Hey, y'all, that's my youngest son right there. That's my youngest son right now. I'm still teaching him. I'm still teaching him. Ignorant little motherfucker. He don't listen. He could be right here, but until he listen, he gonna be right here. They look sad as hell, man. Hey, y'all take that ball, go outside and work. Y'all take that ball, go outside, do some of them. This the rematch. I'll give you another chance.
I put $5,000 on it.
You my baby. I never take money from my son.
Huh?
I give money to my son. Yep. That's light. That's light. Good. Good. Hey. Yep. Yep. Good. Hey. Smart. On that, instead of me running out, you go, I go get yours. Hey, back up off that, man. He can't score. He can't score. Back up off that. Look good. Get that! You too little, low. Somebody. Let's go!
4-3.
Sit down on that. He can't score. Oh! Told you he can't score, though. All right. Hey, yo. Hey. Let me get in this action. Let me get in this action. No. Go. Oh. Hey, yeah, go. Boy, I was gonna score easy as fuck. He can't shoot. Amigo! Hey, let me hold that ball, y'all. 7-5, let me hold that ball. That's whack. Let's get him off. Hey! Oh, yeah. Whoa! Hey, yo, no. Oh, no. Y'all wild as hell this game. Oh, y'all wild as hell this game. Too big. Hey, every time. Hey, bro, no. Bro, no. You can touch him. You can touch him. No, you can touch him. You can touch him. Fuck it, what do you think we at? Where do you think we at? On a game? On a fucking video game? Hey, pass. Oh, move. He took it, yeah, I had to. 9. Crazy. Sit up. Go by him. He's not gonna play defense again. Go lay it up. Sit up. What'd I tell you? Now play defense. Strap him up. Good. Same move. Hey, yo.
Here come the ultimate foul.
No, you don't get a chance.
I got a chance right now.
Hey.
Here he comes.
Yeah, come on.
Here he comes.
No, not you. Bank. The bank is open. That's another one. Get my son off the court. I would have took 5,000 for that young boy.
Yes, sir.
I would have took 5,000 from him. He's too young. Look at him. They look sick. They look sick, but they do look like they belong over there, though, don't they? They look like they belong over there, and I belong over here. They too young. Yeah. They too young, man. They too young. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go by Max, because Max can't play on defense. Max can't check that boy. Max can't check that boy.
Man, there's a whole lot of deflate gate going on in the base end of the day. I don't know
I ain't gonna lie though. Lowe's trash, right? And he obviously can't check me or him, right?
All 5 people.
That's you know who Lowe's be checking? And you know who Lowe's be calling the ISO on? Right here. Put it on. Yep. Yeah, my boy Suwon. That's who Lowe's be calling the ISO on.
Look at the blood, sweat, and tears, man. It's Armageddon. Trash.
Shout out to Maxisnice. We done with that boy today though. Let's go show him some love. No matter how bad you do somebody, always show them love though. Hey, good game, boy. Hey, keep your head up though. Keep your head up. Keep working, boy. Keep working, boy. You're gonna be good too though. How old you? How old you is? Keep your head up, boy.